Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Gypsy Queen, our last break of the night. And there's the box. You can see the watermarks match up with what was shown on the preview video. Although I surely hope with some of the stuff we've pulled, we've earned your trust by now. If I was a scammer, I certainly wouldn't have given away that Mark Trumbo red auto out of Ginter and the Griffey Jr. error. Anyway, let's get to this. Auto? Bonus auto? No. Johnny Bench, Carlos Santana, Chris Carpenter, Derek Jeter, Mike Napoli, John Lester. Oh, these are really hard to see. Sorry, I didn't realize it wasn't in very good focus. Matt Moore, Frank Thomas, Andy Chavez, Niger Morgan. I hate the extra mini cards. They make it hard to sort. There's the empty box. Okay, we got Brandon Morrow, Giovanni Soto, Scott Rowland, Trevor Cahill, Jameel Weeks, Jimmy Rollins, JP Arencibia, straight cut bag, Darryl Strawberry, Josh Beckett, Clayton Kershaw. Jeremy Hellickson, Johnny Peralta, Nick Swisher, Jay Bruce, Andy Chavez, Mike Stanton. The Sepia Mini is Jose Tabata for the Pirates. Oops. That is numbered 38 out of 99. Josh Hamilton, Matt Kemp, Kevin Youkilis. Brian McCann, Freddie Freeman, Alex Gordon, Bobby Abreu, Elvis Andrus, Black Mini, Derek Jeter, Rod Carew, Miguel Cabrera, Ryan Howard. Thought this one felt a little different. Angel Pagan, Casey Kochman, Ryan Dempster, Heath Bell, the framed card, Raleigh Fingers. Ryan Howard, Paul Goldschmidt, Gypsy Queen back, Nelson Cruz, Roger Maris, Ryan Sandberg. Julie Chashin, Jimmy Rollins, Catfish 100. Game used first hit is a relic of Tim Lincecum for the Giants. Babe Ruth, John Axford, regular mini. Al Kaline, Mike Schmidt, Carl Yastrzemski. Pablo Sandoval, Salvador Perez, Ben Zobrist, Ryan Vogelsong, Drew Storen, Jacoby Ellsbury, Brian McCann, regular mini. John Smoltz, Evan Longoria, Willie McCovey. Justin Upton, Russell Martin, Jason Mott, David Wright, Lucas Duda, Andrew McCutcheon, J.J. Hardy, straight cut back, Andre Dawson, Ralph Kiner, and Ryan Zimmerman. Shin-Soo Choo, Stephen Drew, Carl Crawford, Zach Greinke, Urban Santana, Jacoby Ellsbury, Reggie Jackson, regular mini, Frank Robinson, Ernie Banks, Starlin Castro. Michael Bourne, Adam Jones, Andrew McCutcheon, and second relic, also for the Giants, also Tim Lincecum. Mike Schmidt, Brad Peacock, regular mini, Tom Seaver, Joe DiMaggio, Albert Bell. So no relics left but two autos. Matt Harrison, Yadier Molina, Eric Thames, Paul Konerko, Jeff Francoeur, Jose Bautista, C.J. Wilson, regular mini, Michael Young, Jesus Montero, Chipper Jones. Matt Latos, Adrian Chambers, David Price, Alex Cobb, Colby Lewis, Jose Bautista, Ryan Howard, regular mini, Dustin Pedroia, Mickey Mantle, and Derek Jeter. Chad Billingsley, Brandon Beachy, Jason Kipnis, BJ Upton, Eric Ibar, Ryan Zimmerman, Kurt Suzuki, Gypsy Queen mini, Robinson Cano, Orlando Cepeda, and Wade Boggs. Roy Oswalt, Aroldis Chapman, Corey Hart, Brennan Bosch, Paul Goldschmidt, Jose Reyes, Guillermo Moscoso, straight cut back, Jackie Robinson, Matt Holliday, Carlos Gonzalez. Johnny Cueto, Drew Stubbs, Seth Smith, Cameron Maben, Alcides Escobar, Derek Jeter, Mike Napoli, straight cut back, Eric Hosmer, Adrian Gonzalez, Juan Marichal. Justin Masterson, John Danks, Todd Helton, Kurt Suzuki, Josh Hamilton, Mickey Mantle, a Ramos Ramirez green mini, King Griffey Jr., Dave Winfield, Roberto Clemente. Dustin Ackley, Neil Walker, Dimitri Young, Scott Baker, King Griffey Jr., Willie McCovey, Edwin Jackson, regular mini, Felix Hernandez, Carlton Fisk, Brooks Robinson. Josh Johnson, Nigel Morgan, Mike Trout, Matt Cain, Dellin Betances, Travis Wood, which is an uncorrected error because it has the Reds on the back, but he is the with the Cubs. Mark Teixeira, Gypsy Queen back, Reggie Jackson, Gary Carter, Paul Molitor. Sean Markham, Torrey Hunter, Pedro Alvarez, Matt Dominguez, Alexia Gondo, Craig Kimbrell. Oh, that's a nice one. Jesus Montero. That was the second auto for the Yankees. Since he is in a Yankees uniform, I like that they tried to do a quick fix on Travis Wood, but who, let's be honest, not that many people really care about, but Jesus Montero. They just were like, nah, just leave him in the Yankees. Pablo Sandoval, Gypsy Queen, back. Willie Stargell, Drew Gooden, Sandy Koufax. So we got 6 packs left. Who knows? We got a bonus hit in the Allen and Ginter break earlier. Maybe we'll get a bonus one here. Drew Pomeranz, Edwin Jackson, Colby Rasmus, Ted Lilly, Neftali Feliz, Ian Kinsler, Mike Trout, regular mini, Buster Posey, CC Sabathia, Mariano Rivera. Mike Karp, Casey McGee, Grady Sizemore, Chris Carpenter, Gypsy King, Curtis Granderson, Jose Valverde, Albert Pujols, Joe Mauer, Matt Moore. Jose Tabata, Jared Parker, Brandon McCarthy, David Robertson, Ike Davis, Ralph Kiner, Tom Seaver, regular mini, Hanley Ramirez, Ian Kennedy, Eddie Matthews. Derek Holland, Louis Aparicio, Michael Morse, Jordan Walden, Carlos Ruiz, Josh Hamilton, Cameron Maben, regular back, Mark Teixeira, John Lester, Tim Lincecum. Two more packs here. Doug Fister, Jose Valverde, Asdrubal Cabrera, Brett Gardner, Mark Reynolds, Robinson Cano, Gary Carter Black Mini, Chase Utley, Warren Spahn, Stan Musial. The last pack here. Cole Hamels, Devin Mesoraco, Ben Revere, Adam Wainwright, Bud Norris, Mike Stanton, Alex Rodriguez, regular mini, Nolan Ryan, Curtis Granderson, and Yogi Berra. So, go over them here. We got the Sepia mini was Jose Tabata. Yeah, Jose Tabata for the Pirates. The framed card, Raleigh Fingers for the A's. Both relics were for the Giants, and both relics were Tim Lincecum. A white jersey and a gray jersey. And the autos for the Yankees was Jesus Montero. And for the Cubs, Travis Wood. So thanks again. There's another one of these up right now. It ends on Wednesday. under my primary name, Markle Merchants, which in a gradual, slow transition over to the other one. Check that out. And I'm not sure if this one will make the cut for the weekend because I want to switch it up a little bit. And there's so much stuff out now. But there's definitely one up right now, ending on Wednesday. So thanks again for your purchases.